Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be discussing two mathematics Olympiad questions. So let's start. What is the first question here? A bus carrying 36 passengers left terminal A for terminal B. 2 by 3 of the passengers were children at terminal B. 1 by 3rd of the adults got off the bus and 2 children boarded the bus. How many passengers were there on the bus when it left terminal B? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this question. Initially, there were 36 passengers. 2 by 3 of the passengers were children. So, 2 by 3 of 36. 3 1 ja 3, 3 12 ja 36, 12 2 ja 24. Adults equals to 36 minus 24 equals to 12. At terminal B, 1 by 3 of the adults got off. So, adults who got off is 1 by 3 of 12. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. 4. Remaining adults, 12 minus 4 equals to 8. 2 children board the bus. New total children equals to 24 plus 2 equals to 26. Now let's find the total number of passengers. When the bus left terminal B, total passengers equals to remaining adults plus new children. Remaining adults are 8 plus new children are 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. There were 34 passengers on the bus when it left terminal B. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this Math Olympiad question. If you have any doubts about this problem, please ask me in the comment section. The second question is, a mother is 9 times the age of her daughter. In 5 years, the mother will be 5 times her age. How old is the mother? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how old is the mother, and a mother is 9 times the age of her daughter. Let's solve this question. Let's assume that the child age be x. The mother age at present is 9x. After 5 years, 9x plus 5y equals to 5 of x plus 5. 9x plus 5 equals to 5x plus 25. 9x minus 5x equals to 25 minus 5. 4x equals to 20. X equals to 20 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 5 ja 20. We assumed that child age is x. So, child age is 5. Now, mother's age equals to 9x. We know the value of x, 5. 9 multiplied by 5 equals to 45. So, the mother age is 45. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.